You are thicker than a Snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Yeah.
How many taps will it take till your pet gets mad at you?
I'm taking a nap!
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
Good night.
Is it just me, or is anyone else in that weird stage of life where no, you're not yourself? Your head just doesn't know how to feel. One minute you're laughing and you're having fun. The next you're zoning out, holding back tears and questioning everything. The only thing that's for certain is that you have to keep going because you have people counting on you.
Today my mom told me she no longer loves me and I am up for adoption.
That is not what I said. I said you can't have second dinner.
That's the same thing.
Sleeping with his eyes open? Yes.
Mom, when are you coming home? We're hungry.
Soon, but your dad is at home.
I know, he's hungry too.
Who's making biscuits? Meow, meow, meow. Who's making biscuits in my lap? Who's making biscuits now, now, now? All these rescued kitty cats.
I've never fallen quite this high, falling into your ocean eyes, those ocean eyes.
I've got a secret, don't tell a soul. I've always thought that you're beautiful.
Look at you over there. He's so cute. Love you, Lucy.
Am I cute enough to be your friend? Oh no! You scrolled! Wait! You're still here! If you said yes, will you hit for buttons? Thank you, new friend!